A king who refused to fail. Yo, listen up, let me share a tale about a king who refused to fail. Maharana Pratap the brave and true fought for Mewar, his heart's beats anew. Born to rule with the warrior's might, he stood tall against the Mughal light. Akbar's forces they came with a roar, but Pratap's courage left them poor. Haldighati's battle, a legendary fight, Pratap fuller shone like a beacon in flight. Chetak, his horse, a royal steed, together they charged with a warrior's creed. Tough outnumbered, Pratap didn't yield, his spirit unbroken, he will unsealed. His legacy lives forever in hearts, a symbol of courage that never departs. Maharana Pratap, a name and time, a true legend that forever shines.